Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you a wishlist.com tutorial. First is installing wishlist.com for WooCommerce. For installation, download and install the wishlist for WooCommerce plugin from the WooCommerce plugin store or wishlist.com. Activate the plugin. Once installed, activate the plugin from your WordPress dashboard. Now on configuring wishlist settings. For general settings, go to WooCommerce Wishlist Settings to adjust wishlist preferences. Customize the wishlist button. Choose where to display the wishlist button. Now for email notification, set up notification for when customers add products to their wishlist. On managing wishlist, customers can view and manage their wishlist directly from their accounts. On sharing wishlist, allow users to share their wishlist with friends or on social media. Wishlist visibility. Make sure your users can set their wishlist as private or public. And that's basically it.